Birds.
See the birdies?
Birds.
There it went. Wow, flew off, didn't it? Any more out there? There's another one. 2 more. Look at that. Birdies. 3 of them. Wow. Boo, what would you do if you could get out to them? You don't know?
Birds.
You wouldn't eat them, would you? They're too cute to eat.
The birds.
There's 3 of them there now. Look. What do you think? Huh?
What kind of birds are they? What kind of birds?
Are they starlings?
What kind of birds?
I think they're starlings. But there's some chickadees that come too. And maybe some wrens. There's the little tiny ones. Huh?
Birds? Are they birds?
You still there?
Birds? Are they birds? 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 Tell me about it. Birds?